Hi everyone, my name is Shamir, but everybody just calls me Shy. I currently reside in Dover, Delaware. Right now, I'm currently employed at a psychiatric hospital in Dover. I am a social worker there. I work mainly with adolescents, but I also work with adults from time to time when the adolescent census is low. Some things I think I could bring to this class is first, I have a lot of experience with case management slash social work. I was a child protective service worker for 2 years, working with children who were abused or neglected. I also placed children in foster care and other placements when foster care was not an option. I also spent some time working in drug court with adults, adult offenders, and what I did was I work for the state of Delaware, an agency called Task, and what that agency did was keep track of offenders who were involved with drug court. So they had to report to me weekly, and I had to write weekly court reports, monthly court reports on their progress. I also reported to the probation officers, did urine drug screens on them, and made sure they were going to their outpatient providers for treatment. Right now, as I said in the beginning, I am employed at a behavioral health hospital as mainly an adolescent social worker. I also work with adults. The adolescent population that I work with, they have mental health issues ranging from conduct disorder to oppositional defiant disorder, um, mood disorders. I also have some children who are on the autism spectrum, major depressive disorder, just a variety of mental health diagnoses. So I think that with this class, I can also bring the fact that I'm familiar with doing psychiatric assessments and biopsychosocial assessments. So I think that will help me to be successful in this class. Everybody thinks I'm absolutely crazy because I really enjoy working with adolescents. None of my coworkers will touch the adolescents. But I look forward to meeting everyone in this class, and I wish everyone the best of luck. Nice meeting you all, and thanks for watching.